Is it remember to call or remember calling?
A gerund is a verb that ends in ing but functions as a noun. An infinitive is the base form of a verb with a word to in front of it.
I'll always remember marrying my husband. We use remember plus a gerund to talk about memories from the past. Watch how the infinitive changes the meaning. I remembered to blow out the candle before I left home. We use remember plus an infinitive to talk about responsibility. I remember running in my first marathon in 1996. This is a memory. Did you remember to feed the dog? This is a question about responsibility. Let's practice. And what about you? What must you remember to do when you arrive at work every day? Let me know in the comments.